Here we go, do-si-do. Come on, baby, let's go boot scooting. Yeah, it's Cadillac Blackjack taking a look at Spy on the Yahoo Finance. Here we are, Yahoo Finance. It is Tuesday, April 11th, 2023, 9:22 a.m. Got a little bit of an earlier start to the day. Me and Lady sweating to the oldies. Why was I picturing Richard Simmons when I just began to say that me and Lady Sweating to the Oldies got an early start to the Y today? And here we are. It's a beautiful day here in Valparaiso, Indiana, the farm fields of Valparaiso, Indiana. We did a little exercising at the YMCA. It was leg day. That can be a tough one. And then we walked outside of the Y. They've got some beautifully wide sidewalks that connect to the different roads in Valparaiso on the north side. So we walked outside, heard the birds chirping. In fact, up here in the Fortress of Solitude studios, I've got my window open and I can hear those sweetheart birds out there just chirping away. And they're like, make some money today, Bart, make some money. Okay, I'll do that just for you. So I wanted to tune in on the SPY trade of the day because actually I made the I spied that trade. I made the SPY trade of the day yesterday. I actually made that right before the markets closed. In fact, I believe the first part of that trade was in one of the videos that I posted yesterday, and I know the second one was not, but I wanted to show you that position, see how it's doing. Because if you look here, this is the end of, let's scroll up just a little bit so we can see the time. So if you look, this is April 10th. So this was yesterday, okay? And that's Eastern time at the bottom. So right before the markets closed, boom, it went big time up. Green candle on up went over 410 at the start of today. So it closed at over 49. What did it close at? What did it close at yesterday? Yeah, like 409.87. So that put a lot of heat, a lot of pressure on my call credit spread yesterday, but we survived by the hair on our chinny chin chin because we were at a 410/412. Open today, got up over 410, has come down to 409.47 and has been kind of bouncing up and down since then. Currently at 409.70. So let's take a look at the position that we put on. So right here is our position expiring today. 15 credit spreads. Wow, Bart, that's fancy. 15 of those spreads. Let's click into it just to see what we were able to do yesterday when we put these. It was two different positions, but at the same strike prices. We've got 15 contracts, and here they are. So we did 5 contracts here and was able to collect $50 bills. And then we did 10 contracts here when that market spiked up, when SPY spiked up right at the end of the day. We put 10 more contracts in place at the same spread, 413 call sold, 415 call bought. Okay, so it's the same $2 wide spread, but we were able to collect 16 cents per, so $160 on the premium. So the combine was $210. And where we're sitting at right now, because we are doing pretty well on the trade, we're at today's return 68.42% on that total return, since it was put on as at 57.14%. So if we tried to close it out right now, it would cost us roughly $90 to do so because we have 15 contracts and we would have the rest remaining as profit. So we'll keep an eye on that. We will likely close that if it begins to pressure us, and it's trying to pressure us right here as we speak. So if we look back on here, let's go to the main look just to see what that percentage is doing. So it was at over 60, it was like 63% just a few minutes ago. Now it's down to 57% in the profit. And if that keeps going green, we'll see this percentage and that dollar amount come down as well, because the time got that time decay. So if it gets up over 410, hopefully it doesn't do much more than that because we are at 413 slash 415 on today's SPY trade of the day. I'll be coming back real soon because I have a lot of trades to go through today. And my thesis for the day is let's remove some risk, get our buying power back up here going into tomorrow morning's CPI number, the inflation number. Who knows what it's going to do, but I'd rather be neutral going into it, take some of the profits off the table, try not to be greedy, get my hand caught in the cookie jar. So we're going to be looking to do that in the next video, go through a number of different positions that we have and discuss my current mindset, my current thoughts on those positions. So there we have it. Thanks for tuning in. SPY trade of the day. I'll see you in the next video.